for today. Well, I'm in the highway, so I heard a lot of noise. So wearing like high heels, stilettos shoes today. So if you want to watch a longer videos, full video, you can just click the join button level 3. And then if you want a custom video, so a special custom video for my customer only, so just message me to my Facebook page, Cursa Vlog, and then I'm not gonna charge you more for that. For now, I have this, I'm gonna show you guys. So the heels that I'm wearing now is I'm gonna upload it to my membership. So if you want to watch a longer videos like this, you can just check to my membership. If I have enough time, I will just upload, but surely you can receive longer videos every Monday. So yes guys, and I hope to see you there on. And thank you everyone for watching my videos, for loving my channel. For my members, thank you so much for supporting my channel also. And then there's so much noise here and so much distraction, but I want to say Merry Christmas everyone, and I love you all. So hi again everybody. So to this video, we're gonna use the stilettos shoes again with this black blouse that I'm wearing, black dress that I'm wearing. So this one we're gonna use, and of course this one. So first is this one. So this time we're gonna use this sandal for the mountain driving. So there it is. So okay, seat belt, and we have the shoes for driving. Drive, blinker left, and go. here and so much distraction. But I want to say Merry Christmas, everyone, and I love you all. Bye.